Okay, it's Monday, April 4th, and I'm buying some MU Micron Technology 77 puts at 129. And this is a stock that I had on watch to go short. First of all, if we look at the context, this is the weekly chart. We had a big shooter week last week. So I'm anticipating sometime this week to take out the lows of last week, which is 74.06. And then once that breaks, we could be heading down to this 70 area. What we have here, like a lot of, the market's up a little bit today on Monday morning, but it's kind of an iffy rally, if you ask me. But anyway, the stock did come up on the first push up, kind of came down, pause. We started up again, but we couldn't really take out this intraday high, and now we're rolling over to the downside. So I'm buying the puts here with the stock at about 77.52. Again, the strike price is 77 right here, and I'm anticipating us eventually, taking out the lows of last week, which was kind of that big red day yesterday. So to me, this is just a little bit of after a big push down to end the week, we're kind of rallying up a little bit to start, but I expect the price to be rolling over by the end of the week at some point, breaking below this area here. And then, those options should really move up nicely in value. The tricky thing is this the perfect time to be, either I could be buying the puts here, or I could wait for, if this ends up being an inside day, then you can try to sell tomorrow on the push down, some kind of a weak opening or something like that. But I'm going to be aggressive about it, just that given that if I'm looking at the SPY, which is kind of heading the market itself, I see it did head up in the morning here, but if you look at it, it's kind of just at an upper trend, a trend line to the downside. So to me, we kind of moved lower by the end of the week. We're starting a little up on Monday. I expect maybe like a turnaround Tuesday type of thing where eventually even the SPY should broaden out a little lower. You can see I have here the megaphone kind of pattern that moved up here, and I could see us taking out these lows eventually by the end of the week. So Micron is one of the stocks I had on watch to go short, given this shooter bar here on the weekly chart and also the monthly chart. If I look at it, the continuity is also red. So, we could be broadening lower below these lows here. That's like 66 area. But for now, I'm expecting the lows of the week at least to be taken out at some point. And that's why I'm going to buy these options a little aggressively here on this little kind of an up opening, but then a weak follow through attempt. So if the whole market rolls over, this stock certainly will be one that could lead the way down. So see what happens buying the puts here. And again, it's Monday about 11:30 in the morning.